What's going on, guys? Today we have the Resocasin wireless microphone. These right here. These things sound awesome. They're high-res audio, as you can see. And the one thing, well, many things that I love about this is they resemble so much the DJI mics. They come with this velvety carry case to protect the case itself. And look at this. Look at the beauty of this. Exactly like the DJI mics, especially the new one, the DJI Mic 2. And you'll see what I mean when I pull one of these out. Look at this. Look at that. I love the clear case that you can see right into all the components. And the size of this, exactly like the DJI mics. Good quality, solid sound, as you can hear. And yes, this is USB-C. Let me pull this out here. It's USB-C for your iPhones, your Android tablet, laptop. So you do have the two. Oh, this looks so cool. Beautiful. You have the two transmitters and the one receiver, and the case itself is solid, as you can see. It also tells you the percentage of the battery, 91%, and they're both currently being charged right now. I recommend these.